Hello everyone. Welcome to Creative Art. I am Shuvo, your host for today's video. Today I am going to discuss about Windows activation related common issue. Your Windows will expire soon. This is a very common issue for Windows 10 users. I also face this issue. Today I'm going to show you how to fix it. So let's do it without wasting time. Here I am sitting in front of my PC. You guys need to follow step by step to solve this issue. You will often see a pop-up window appear in your computer like this. This is a very simple task to fix this issue. So let's start. When we install fresh Windows, sometimes we face this type of issue. First you need to check whether your Windows is activated or not. To check this you need to right-click on my computer from desktop and select Properties. A pop-up window will appear. Below this window you can see whether your Windows is activated or not. If Windows is not activated with activation key, then you need to activate Windows with Proc key. Check our description box for Windows activation key. To activate Windows you need to go Settings. Then click Update and Security option. Then click Activation option from left side menu. Then activate Windows with Product key. If Windows activated and solve the issue, then you need not to follow second step. If issue exists after activate Windows, then follow the step. First, you need to type service in a Windows search box and select service. From service window, scroll down and find Windows License Manager. Then right-click and select Properties. A new pop-up window appeared. From the window you can see Startup Type option. You need to select Disable and then Apply. Then find Windows Update and right-click to select Properties option. Again a pop-up window similar to that will appear. Again you need to disable it and apply. By doing this your problem will solve. Hope this video helped you to fix the problem. Give your valuable opinion in comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if this video helped you. See you all soon. Bye bye.